We are ready to determine our antibiotic sensitivity for our unknown. We've grown a broth culture overnight, so we're ready to make our plate. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll get a cotton swab, and then we're going to dip the cotton swab in our culture. Remember, we're using proper aseptic technique the whole time. Flame the lip of our tube, dip our cotton swab into our culture. Flame again at the close. Set our tube down, and we're ready to go to our plate. Now at this point, we're going to open our plate, and we're going to pretend our plate is color by number and swab the entire surface of our plate. We're going to turn the plate 90 degrees and swab from the top to the bottom again. And then one more time for good measure. Cotton swab goes in the bleach beaker. And then we're ready to put our antibiotics on our plate. Now we're going to use 4 antibiotics, and we're going to have our tweezers. And the first thing we're going to do is sterilize our tweezers very carefully in our fire. We don't want to hold them in our fire like we do our flame of our loop, because the tweezers do not turn orange. You could burn yourself quite easily. Once you've held them in the flame, you need to bring them out of the flame, let them cool, but you can't set them down. So once they're cool enough, you can push with your tweezers to get the antibiotic to go to the other side of the little container, and then you can pull out from the other side with your tweezers. And then you're going to put that on your plate, and we're going to kind of make a diamond pattern on our plate with our antibiotics. And so every time we get a new antibiotic, we have to flame our loop, our tweezers, just in case we accidentally got any bacteria on the tweezers. Push through, grab from the other side. Sometimes this takes some effort. If your antibiotic disc falls on the floor or the table, you have to get a new one. You can't use it because it's contaminated at that point. Sometimes they're very hard to get out of the container.
There we go. Oh.
Sometimes you can just poke it with your tweezers, and it works great. We have one more disc to add. And then we're just going to lightly tap each disc with the tweezers to make sure it sticks to the surface of the gel, just lightly. And now we're ready to incubate overnight, and then tomorrow we'll measure our zones of inhibition. Now, if you're anything like Andrew, you'll also go 2 for 4 on getting the antibiotics to the plate.